In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can get kills with the Blitz shield in XDefiant. Now the first thing you need to do to get kills with the Blitz shield is choose the Phantoms faction, and then for the abilities you want to choose this one on the right, Blitz shield. So if you're not sure which button you have to press to actually kill with the Blitz shield, you'll have to click escape, then go to your settings, and from there if you're playing on PC you can go to mouse and keyboard, and you can then scroll down to where it says melee. As you can see, mine's set to MB4, which is a button on my mouse. However, yours will probably be something different, so you want to come to these settings and see which yours is. If you're playing on controller, you can simply click controller, then click button layout, and from there we can see if we're playing on default, melee is the right stick in. Now in order to get the most kills with the Blitz shield, I recommend that you play Occupy, because everyone's going to be rushing to these objectives, and you can simply open up the Blitz shield and then wait for people to come to you. And then when you see someone, you can simply press your melee button, which for me was that button on my mouse. So that's how you can get kills with the Blitz shield in XDefiant. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.